Now I'm going to show you a cute way to spruce up a Mother's Day gift. So I found this great canvas. It even zips and unzips and it's lined. Really nice. I'll put the link to where I bought it online. And I thought this would be a great way to gift wrap. So the bag is the gift wrap and you can put the gift inside the bag. So it's almost two gifts in one. So I'm going to set the bag aside and then I'm going to take my Bowdabra and grab my gold Bowdabra Bow Wire, cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, and then when I'm done with my bow, I can actually tie it around the gift bag. So, but I love to wrap where you kind of have a unique way of wrapping a gift. So this makes a great Mother's Day gift, or even it could even be a Father's Day gift. Everybody needs gift bags. So I'm going to go ahead to the overhead camera so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to take these pieces. This is sort of what a style of our scrappy bow, where you just take scraps of ribbon. And I have dovetailed the ends. And I'm just going to lay this down in here. For those of you who aren't familiar with me, I'm Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. And I do these brand new videos. Every Wednesday we have a new video that comes out. We tape them all at once, but they come out on Wednesdays throughout the year. So that's 52 videos, and we have been doing this for years. So you'll find lots and lots of videos at bowdabra.com and our YouTube channel. So just go to bowdabra.com and go to the tutorials. So what I'm doing here is I'm just folding and twisting. So it's just fold and twist. And if you want to know how much ribbon we're using, what we do is we put all of the ribbon supplies and the types of ribbon in the description. So we're going to twist, fold and twist, and fold and twist. So underneath the video, there's a description. And that's where we have the list of the products that we use and how much of each ribbon we use. So I'm taking my ribbon. We're going to do what we call a shoelace bow. So I'm going to fold the ribbon in half, take the top, put that in. And I'm just going to fold this over, bring my tail down, and fold this over. And again, just bring my tail down. Then I have this cute little flower. I'm going to lay that right down in the middle. Take my Bowdabra wand, lay that down, bring everything up, pull it through my slip knot, which is why we fold it in half. Pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. Tie another knot, and this here, and let's shape everything out and do the same thing on this side. The biggest part of the whole project is always the fluffing, because if you don't fluff it right, it just doesn't look right. So we'll put this, bring my tails down here, bring these tails out so you can see them. And then what I'm going to do is take this, take my bag. I'm just going to take this and tie it onto my bag. And I'm just going to make a shoelace bow, which I do a lot with bows like this so that people can save the bow, because everyone always loves the bow. And you have this beautiful, oh, I did it backwards. I put it upside down. Only Sandy would do that. So you want to tie it right side up so the tails are facing down, and then now you have your beautiful gift wrap. And not only are they getting the gift bag, but they're also getting a gift inside. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.